Hello, IP4. Welcome back for our technology class. Let me share my screen with you. Okay, welcome back to our next session talking about QR code generator and Microsoft Word for our fourth lesson about Microsoft and QR generator. So this is our lesson number 5 together, and let's get started. All right, let's continue talking about Microsoft Word. So go to the File tab and click Save As. When you click Save As, that's how you can save. So you will get this, all right? When you click Save As, you'll get this. So let's go back again. So you go to our file up here, or maybe if you use Windows, it's similar. So you just try to find file on the top somewhere here. So when you find file, you open it, you click Save As. When you click Save As, you can select the format that you want to save right here. Here is the name you can choose, and here you can choose the folder. You choose the folder. For example, I chose my example folder. And then here is the type or the format that you want to choose. Right now it's on Word document. So DOCX, all right? Select the file format. When you click on that, you can choose many types, all right? So what you choose is, what you can choose is PDF. You choose PDF, you save your file as PDF. Export file. If you are using Mac, you can export file also. By doing this, you can export. Even if you use Windows, you will have this option, right? You can see in here, you save. And then when you change it to be PDF, this changes to be export. So you export to PDF. If you want to export your file to make individual images, you can do that. Okay, this is only for Mac users, for Apple users, for people who use MacBook, all right? So for others, I will tell you what to do. First, if you have iOS or MacBook Apple products, you go to your preview, you open your PDF as preview, the app preview. When you open it, you will have the option file. You click file, then you click export. When you want to export the file, you make individual images. This is mainly using Mac and Apple products iOS software, as I told you. All right, so when you click export, you get this. You can choose the name and the place you want to save and the format. So you can choose JPEG and you click save. When you do like this, you can save only one by one. So if you have 26 pictures, you have to save one by one. So 26 times you have to do this. So let's open Microsoft and save all your files, pages, and all your pages and separate them. All right, so if you don't have iOS, this is another way you can do. Make individual images. You can separate each word into a word in one Word file and then save it as PDF. Let's look at our example. All right, so let's take a look at my example right here. Let me share the other screen with you real quick. All right, hold on. Okay, let's continue. So I'll share the screen with you. So do you remember our homework, right? Our assignment. So imagine this is what you have made. So apple, the picture, the name, text explaining what is apple, the ball, the name, and explaining what is a ball. All right. So you have to have all the words from the alphabet, remember, A to Z. So it will be 26, right? So make sure you have all the words. And when you do, what you have to do is you separate them, all right? You Control C to copy, or you click right and copy or cut. But you have to open a new Word file. Just open a new one. And you just paste it here. So we have only one page. So when you have only one page like this, you can save it, whatever you like. And I'll save it as PDF right now to show you what to do. Apple, save, yes. And then let's do the same thing for our ball. Copy and paste and save it as a PDF file. So this way, I want you to practice saving your files. And where did I save it? Oh, my bad. PDF, ball, save lesson 5. Okay, I already saved. So what you have to do now is come back to your where you have saved it. So try to find where you have saved it. So make sure where you save it, all right? So I'm saving it on the correct file, but I'm not sure why I can't see it. Okay, so here we have it, right? So here is the page that we want, right? And let's go back. And this is the page that you have to put the QR code, okay? No picture, you just write down the name, and here you will put the QR code, all right? So let's go to the website. Let's go back to the PowerPoint first, all right? So remember this website. This is the website that I told you. There are many websites to create QR code, but I think this is one of the best that you can use. You can give an image, you can give PDF, it's up to you. Okay, if you want to give an image, you have to save your file as image only, JPEG. Or if you want PDF, you just upload it for PDF or document. All right, so let's take a look at the website options. Okay, so let's do the document QR code. We click on it, we upload, we select the location, we select our file, upload, and continue. Let's write QR code, ball QR code. All right, you can give it a name. Create QR code. Now we already have our QR code, so let's download it. Okay, we have to sign up for it. Or you can just take a screenshot and once you take the screenshot, you go to this file and you upload it here. So you select your QR code, you upload just like that. You can make it bigger. As you remember, I taught you already, you can make some border for it like this. And now if we scan it, I'm going to use my phone to scan. I scan the QR code and it's loading. And you can see here, I use my phone to get the QR code. Using QR code, I can access this file. It's written ball, the description, and the picture. All right, so that's how you do it. Sorry, I used this for the apple just now. So it should be for the ball. Okay, so let's make one for the apple also. For the apple, let's go back and save our apple file. Let's find the apple. Okay, don't forget. So you select your text and picture. If you use Apple iOS product, you use Command C to copy. But if you're using Windows, normal PC, you use Control C. Or you use your mouse, click right, copy. Okay, now we select all. So for selecting all, you use Command A or Control A. Or you hold your mouse and select everything. And you use your mouse, you use your mouse, click right and paste, or Command V or Control V on your keyboard. Okay, so this is what we get. Now, again, we go save as PDF. The name would be Apple. I want to save here, export. Once we export it, we go back to here, we can see it. We got it already. So let's go to our website again. Let's go back. Let's go back. Document, upload file. This time we choose Apple. Upload, continue, put a name. Let's say Apple, Apple QR code. Create and generate. Okay, so you cannot download, you have to sign up. If you want, you can just sign up with your Google or your name and email and password. But if you don't want to sign up like me, you can take a screenshot of this QR code. All right. So for Mac, you can use Shift Command 4 and take a screenshot of it like this. And then I just drag it in here, make it straight, make it have some beauty, have some border around it, and just like this. Okay. Let's now try to scan this. Now, when I scan, I can access Apple and read the explanation. You can see picture, name, and everything I wrote. All right, that's how you access. So you have to continue all the alphabet. Next would be cat, C, right? After that, D, dog, right? So keep continuing all the alphabet, the same process as I just did. All right. So as you remember, you just add photo, add name, and explain. And then you have to save one by one. Okay. You have to save one by one. Or if you use your preview for Mac or if you use your PDF for Windows, you can just drag by yourself, separate by yourself. So for example, if I save this as PDF now, it will be all the files, all right? So let's go back to our here. So you see, if you have 26 pictures and explanation just like this, there will be a lot. So what you can do is, all you need to do is just drag out and drop here. So if I open this now, it's only one. All right. So you can try this on your Windows also. There are many ways to do this. You can choose which one you want to do. So this is one way to make it only one, or you can just delete or delete this, or just save the first export as and use JPEG, right? Or save export. So if you do this one, it will only do one by one. You have to do 26 times to export all the files, all right? So don't forget, make QR codes for all the alphabet, all right? So the next one, you choose the word. For example, let's say what starts with C? Let's say cat. Cat. All right. So you find you make a new QR code for it and you put it inside. All right. Don't forget in your other Word file here, next you will have C, right? So cat. You write down cat. Okay. And you add the cat picture, as I hope you can remember last time how we do. So let me show it to you, maybe if you have forgotten. Okay, so you go to your browser, search cat. You choose a picture, you save it. You save it by clicking the right click on your mouse, save as, save where you want. I save it here. You save the picture. Here's my picture. I just drag it in, and there you go. We have a beautiful cat. Very cute, right? Make it straight. You can double click on it and crop. Make your picture like this, maybe, if you like. You can add a border just like this. You can choose. You have to go to picture format, right? You can choose the color, whatever color you like. What color do you like? How thick do you want it? You can choose the thickness by going to weight and how thick. The name of the cat, what color you want. Do you want purple also? And then you have to explain. You can say, this cat is so cute. This is a brown cat with green eyes. Or you can search. You can search about a cat. Just search cat. And you can see here is a description. You read that and you can type in here. Okay. This is example for cat, right? So you have to save this now as a PDF, right? So you click save as, or this one if you have this. If not, you have to click save as. You click save as, you choose PDF, and you save it, okay? Don't forget, save it one by one so you can make QR code for each. So now it's connected to those. So we have to go to a new file like here, and paste it. So once we pasted it, we can save it as PDF. Here we go. And once we have saved it as PDF, here's our cat, right? Our cat PDF. So we go back to our website, create the QR code, upload the file. Sorry, let's go one more step back. We choose the document, upload file, cat, upload, upload. Hurry up, hurry up. Continue. Let's call it cat QR code, create QR code. We get our QR code, we sign in to download or screenshot, and then we go back to our cat right here. Let me find the download right here, okay? And we get it. And if I scan it, I get the cat, all right? Let me scan it real quick for you, okay? And for now, until I scan it, so don't forget, use this website or any website that you like to make the QR code. These were our process, so make sure you have done all the process so far from last homework, step 1 to 3, you have finished. And for our new homework, it will be step 4, what I just did for you. Create QR code for each page using any of these websites. Now, I just used the last one because in my opinion, is the best one to use. For next homework, please submit before 22nd of July and on Thursday. And here you can see my scan of the cat. the explanation picture and cat by using QR code. I will upload everything for you. Thank you. See you next week. Take care. Bye bye.